We need to talk about some Onyx Storm theories, okay? So if you have not finished Onyx Storm, this is your warning. Please continue to scroll. Topic at hand. Who is this new Venom brother? Let's go through every single candidate who could possibly be Xaden's new Venom brother using actual canon text from the book. And we're gonna start with Panchek. So like a normal, healthy person, I went through the chapter and tried to physically map out where every single character is in this last Xaden chapter. In Xaden's chapter, okay, he is down at the bottom, let's say. Sigale is up at the top, and then Berwin is mentioned as walking into the line between Xaden and Sigale. Then at the top of the canyon, we have two Venom standing guard. Xaden then looks past Berwin, past Sigale, and then past that he says, "To my new brother, the unconscious dragon in the valley beyond the canyon." So outside of the canyon, we have the new brother, we have a dragon, and then 7 wyvern guarding them. So already the new brother is described as separate from Panchek. Panchek then reaches for the net like over his dragon. There's some talk about the second son, and then Berwin stabs a dragon. It just says a dragon, but we know it's described that there is like green color leaking out of the dragon when it stabs, so it's a green dragon, and we know Panchek's dragon is green. So this all checks out. But the weird thing is, this is the last time in this chapter and in this book that Panchek is even mentioned. We don't get a reaction from him. We don't get anything like Panchek screamed as his dragon died beneath him. Zero. We get no reaction, which is so bizarre. So we don't know if Panchek's dead at this point, or if that was really his dragon, or if maybe he's Venom, so he didn't really care. And then this next part is also weird as well. So Berwin looks at Xaden and starts walking towards Sigale. So Sigale's up here, Berwin's in the middle. So is Berwin looking behind him and then walking in the opposite direction that he's looking in? But anyways, once Berwin gets close to Sigale, he's about to stab her. This is when Xaden gets all shadow stormy. Berwin's getting dragged back towards Xaden. But at the same time, his new brother is knocked out as well. Then we keep going, and then Xaden starts killing the wyvern. He starts with the one who bit Sigale, and he skims over his new brother again. Like, it's described that his shadows skim over his new brother, but I thought we had already gone past his new brother. So that's another weird thing. And then he goes on to destroy the remaining 6 wyverns. So now I'm left with even more questions. I would have expected Xaden to be like, my shadows skim over the now dead traitor who lies on the canyon floor, to indicate like, okay, now we're skimming over Panchek's dead body. But we don't get that. And then one more thing, in the very last chapter, it is mentioned that 3 elders are dead in the valley. Panchek, I don't think we ever learned how old he is, but to me, he gives elder vibe. So is he one of those 3 elders that are dead on the valley, or is he one of the missing riders maybe? It's a mystery to me. I don't personally think Panchek is the new brother because that just wouldn't give as much emotional impact. We're going to talk about some more likely characters next, so again, stay tuned. We're going to go through everyone. Let me know what you think.